The Baulders import template used in the project creation phase is an Excel file containing 6 different tabs. Let's look at this file step by step. The first tab, called Project Information, contains all of the information that defines your project. In the first table, you are able to group all of the basic information of your project, such as its name, type, operating life, etc. In the subsequent tables, you can fill in the functions that will contribute to the project, the strategic information that define the functions, the typologies of the strategic information, the roles and job titles, and the names of the actors and experts involved. It is important to note that the basic information, functions, and strategic information tables are essential and must be filled in. The remaining information can be completed later using the Baulders software. Next, you will see the following tabs called InfoX Functions, InfoX Role Tag X Actor and Expert, and InfoX Typo Tag. These 3 tabs allow you to create relationships between the functions and the strategic information and the role tags, as well as the actors and the experts involved, and lastly, the strategic information and the typology tags. The 5th tab, called InfoX Rating, allows you to define the knowledge and execution ratings of each strategic information by the actors and the experts involved in the project. You can complete this table at the same time as the others if you have the available data, or you can do it later using the Baulders software. The 6th and final tab, called Report Export, contains the results of the analysis once your project has been imported into the Baulders software and completed. You can find this data by exporting the Excel file from Baulders. We will now look at the import template for a project called Modern Kitchen. It is a demo project for which we have filled in all of the fundamental data. This includes the basic information, the functions required to carry out a successful modern kitchen project, the strategic information essential in defining this particular kitchen, the typologies of the different strategic information, the roles and professions necessary for the realization of this project, and lastly, the actors and experts who will be contributing to it. If you go to the next tab, you will see that the information you specified in the Project Information tab has been automatically entered into this table. All there is left for you to do is to create the relationships or links between the different functions and strategic information by adding a cross in the appropriate cells, like so. In the next tab, you will again see the strategic information column on the left, followed by the role tags that will manage each strategic information, and the actors and experts who will be in charge of the evaluation. This brings us to the last relationship tab, which allows you to create links between the strategic information and the different typology tags. Moving on to the Ratings tab, you can see that for this kitchen project, the knowledge and execution ratings have been provided by the actors. However, experts have not yet intervened, and so there are no ratings from them at this stage. These can be done later using the Baulders software. Finally, we reach the Results or Output tab. Once your project has been imported to Baulders and the evaluation completed, you will be able to export this file and see the values of the relative weight, the knowledge and execution ratings, and most importantly, the health score of your project.